Hello, welcome to Eddie Cương Nguyễn channel. My name is Eddie. This is Ten.
G'day.
Today we're gonna show you how to make Vietnamese Tết food.
So Eddie, what is Tết?
Tết is more like Christmas in Western country. It's a time that people come back to their family. They gather together and have some good food.
Seems like good seasons.
But different region. In Vietnam they have north, south, and middle. It's like miền Trung.
Yep.
Yeah. So different region they have different food. But today, as we are South Vietnamese, we're making South Vietnamese Tết food. The first one is the pork. Normally they're gonna use the pork belly, braised in coconut juice, and with the eggs. Today we're gonna use the Vietnamese little egg like this.
Small.
But it's very rich.
Yep. Tastier as well, to be honest.
And the second one, we're gonna make the bitter melon.
I see.
Can you tell everybody a bit about the bitter melon?
Yeah.
What is that?
Hopefully you guys seen this before or not. Bitter melon basically, like just like exactly what its name, like bitter, and it's a family of the melon. So traditional, this one is bitter melon. We stuff them with pork mince, with ground pork, and some wood ear mushroom. This is very typical Asian food as well. So, but today we try to step up the game a little bit. We try to make the traditional food more, fancy. I reckon. What's the word?
Because in the past, or even now, when they think of Vietnamese food, it's a little bit low price. Is that right? A bit more like street food, or even the Tết holiday food is not expensive.
I see.
Right?
Yep.
So today, hopefully, we're gonna bring the techniques first. The techniques.
Yep.
Normally, they just braise it,
yep.
right? But today, we're gonna sous vide the pork. But the ingredients we not normally use. We don't use the normal.
A normal ingredient. Yep.
We choose Iberico pork.
Yep.
Which is
Espanol pork. Spanish pork.
It's been raised very careful by choosing their food. Then they got massage. And listen to music.
Just like a Wagyu, Japanese Wagyu pork.
But it's the Wagyu, the pork version of Wagyu. That's all. Also, we're gonna use the bird nest for our soup. Because if you just make the bitter melon, the kid don't eat it.
Yep.
Because
they're bitter. no one like bitter.
Only my parents love it because they know it's good for health. But today we're gonna put in some bird nest.
Yep.
The kid gonna love it, man. Because they know the bird nest is expensive.
Yep.
This one is more like truffle.
Yeah, it's basically similar to like the rarity of it, similar to the like Italian, like Western truffle, because they're quite pricey.
Yeah,
and
pricey.
They're quite pricey.
Hard to
harvest. Yeah, very hard to harvest. You have to climb up to the mountain to get them. It's so easy.
And in the past, this one is not for normal people.
Yep.
It's for the kings.
Yep. True. Exactly.
For the kings, even Chinese king.
Yeah, true, exactly. This one, like very, they stick with the Asian traditional a lot. So you can see them like they have all of a little bowl of soup. It's this bird nest. So
our concept is like that.
Yep.
Beside of this one, we got Bánh Tét as well. And what is Bánh Tét?
Bánh Tét basically, let's think them similar to the terrine, to the meatloaf.
Yeah,
right, to the meatloaf, very similar to meatloaf, but the thing instead of the meat and gelatin and everything, Vietnamese Tết is outside is like rolled with banana leaf, and the sticky rice. So inside, inside we got some mung beans, some mung bean paste. We got some salted egg yolks and pork fat. Yes. So that's very, very traditional Vietnamese food, and it's really hard to make.
Also, they make it to the dessert as well.
Yeah.
They put in some bananas.
Yeah, there's some savory and sweets as well.
Cool.
Yep.
Cool. And also we got some đồ chua.
Yeah, we got some as well. We got some to cut out all the fatness from the pork. So we got some pickled vegetable as well. So today's our choice of pickled vegetable is a pickled bean sprouts, baby cucumber, chive, and red radish.
So people they come back to the family during the Tet holiday, especially us.
Yeah.
We live in Australia, and when the Tet is come,
we feel so excited. Yeah.
We feel excited, but stuck in Australia make us burden.
Yeah.
We want to come back and enjoy the Tet food.
Yep.
Hopefully today we're gonna make a good one.
Yep. So but this is all our heart, we show you all of this one, we try to, we doing our best to bring up a traditional food a lot more value.
Yeah.
That's it. We should try to add more value to the traditional food. Add more value to it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
Yep. Alright, I start with the soup.
Okay.
Let's
go.
see.
Bird nest.
Bird nest.
Well, actually, it's the first time I'm doing bird nest like this because the bird nest we always use for dessert.
True.
We do not normally use for
The soup like this.
the soup like this with meat. Normally it's for dessert, but let's try it.
Let me explain to you guys how it tastes like. For those who we haven't known what's it taste like yet. So maybe the melon tastes basically it's bitter. Make the soup bitter, but I think like with the seasoning, like bitter, a little bit saltiness and a bit umami from the fish sauce.
Yeah.
Yep. So basically it balances it out a little bit. It's bitter, but I think it's good for your health. So like the elderly people, they always thinking like health is the most important thing.
Yeah.
So this is a must. This dish is a must have in a Tet holiday food.
Yeah.
All right, next one. Let's try the pork, shall we?
Try the pork. It's better go with sous in the temperature of 72 degrees for at least 3 hours. And the sauce we make it out from the sauce that we sous with the pork. And then we reduce it. We
All of the richness.
Sauce. Yeah, we thicken in the sauce and seasoning again to make sure it tastes right.
Yep. Smell like caramelized sugar.
Yeah.
Caramelized sugar.
Caramelized sugar with fish sauce and coconut juice.
Wow. It is tender.
Let's try it out with the sauce.
This is good. And come along with this sort of like fatty pork. We always like get some of the pickles. So we got pickled shallots, pickle cucumber, pickled bean sprout, and some of the red radish. So the sound is we cut through all the fat bits. So that's when it's make you keep going for more. Much better.
Much better?
Much better.
Okay. You like the sauce?
Love it, love it.
Well, it's actually our first time trying this way out. Yeah.
Better, yeah?
Yeah.
Just balance everything else out. So normally in like stew in the braised pork dish like this traditional way, the eggs always well done cooked because they're braised together with the pork for exactly the same time.
Yeah.
So maybe 2-3 hours. So the eggs obviously like well done, well done cooked.
It's really hard.
Yeah. So that's one of the things we quite don't like about that, and that's why we try to reinvent it this way.
Yeah. I like the color.
Exactly.
I like the color.
It's better than traditional one, yeah?
Yeah.
I reckon it tastes better. It tastes better. It's just a lot more velvety because of the yolk is running. It's a lot more velvety. It's coat your tongues a lot better. And so it helps deliver all other flavor that you eating.
It's really a new way to look
Exactly.
at
It's beautiful.
traditional dish.
Yeah.
Wow.
I like it. I like it a lot. And here, so let's try some century eggs.
Century.
Century eggs, yep.
There you go. I love this one. When I live in Australia, I always buy the whole pack.
Yeah.
I leave it there. So after a long day at work, I go home, get some leftover rice and a century egg. That's it.
Yeah.
It's a dinner for me.
It smells a little bit like, let's say if you're from Australia, it does smell a bit like Vegemite.
Yeah.
It does smell like Vegemite. So as well the color, it looks a little bit like Vegemite as well. It's dark, but it tastes nice. Beautiful, pungent.
How about some
aromatic
sauce go over the top? This one.
Give it a go. Kaboom.
Yeah. Try it.
The sauce is nice itself. I reckon it's come nice with everything. One of the beautiful thing about Vietnamese cuisine is we base every food based on balance.
Balance. and fish sauce.
Mm.
It's something that we never miss.
Exactly.
We seasoning with fish sauce with everything.
Mm.
Even entree, main course, dessert now.
No, Lisa, no, Lisa,
Yeah,
not yet, not
almost everything
Yet.
with fish sauce.
Yep. Right.
Yeah, that's
You
okay.
can't enjoy Tết without a beer. So, to you, Happy
Cheers,
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Chúc mừng năm mới. It's good, yeah?
Yeah,
It's very, very Tết. Very, very Tết.
it's a new way to enjoy our Tết holiday. Hopefully, if we cook this one, more people will come and try it out.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. I'm super happy with this, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Nice.
Very nice. I hope you guys learned something from today. Hopefully you guys will enjoy Vietnamese New Year this year. And next year we don't have any coronavirus anymore, and everything will turn back to the way it is.
Yep, exactly. So stay strong, stay positive, and
Yeah.
push it.
Happy New Year, guys.
Chúc mừng năm mới.